This Adanalian Vasquez Real Estate property video is presented by Patrick Gonçalves. Welcome to your brand new, eco-friendly retreat. Lease this stunning KB home in southeast Fresno for just $2,500. Featuring a sleek, open floor plan that connects the spacious living room to a modern kitchen equipped with new Whirlpool appliances and a walk-in pantry. Enjoy 4 bedrooms, including a luxurious master suite with a walk-in closet, double sinks, and aprivate shower. This Energy Star certified home also offers 3 bathrooms, a versatileloft, a smart thermostat, and a solar energy system for top-notch efficiency. A large backyard and easy freeway access enhance this perfect living space. Don't miss out. Schedule your tour today and step into sustainable luxury. For more information, review the details below.